And this video will show you how to verify your profile on Pocket Option. As you can see guys, my profile on Pocket Option is fully verified, and now I will show you step by step what you need to do. I will move to my another account of Pocket Option right here, and this account is not verified. So what you need to do is click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then click on profile. Right here, as you can see, my profile is not verified. First of all, you need to enter your first name, last name, your email address. You need to verify it. Also, you need to add your mobile phone number right here. You need to use your country code. For example, 995 is my country code. Enter your full mobile number with plus and with your country code. Then you need to enter your date of birth, and then you can move on identity verification. You need to choose your country. I will show you example of my country. My country is Georgia, so I will choose Georgia. Then click confirm. Then agree. And now you need to enter your email address right here. You will receive the verification code on your email and you need to verify it. Right here is my verification code, so I'll copy it. Then you need to tick this and click create my account. Then you need to click continue verification. And right here, you need to choose your document type. There is few options: ID card, passport, residence permit, or driving license. You can choose any of them, tick it, and click on continue. So it will open your camera. In this case, I'm using my computer, so it will open my web camera, but I suggest you to use your mobile phone because it's much easier to take photos with your mobile phone. So you can click on continue on phone. You need to open your mobile phone camera. You need to scan this QR code and then click on the link. It will open the verification website, and you need to take the photos of your document. If you choose the international passport, you need to take one photo. If you choose driving license or your ID card, you need to take the pictures of the front view and the back view of your documents, upload it, and in a few seconds your account will be verified. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.